what's up guys, Joe here and welcome to 365 Web X. So today I bring you yet another video from Google. Yes, today we'll be doing something a little bit different. Okay, so we'll be taking a look at the Google Tone Transfer Magenta. Well, for those of you who actually have not come across this powerful tool, it is an experimental project that uses Google Learning to transfer. Google Tone Transfer or Google Tone Transfer Magenta is an experimental project from Google that uses machine learning to transfer the emotional tone of a piece of music to another. Okay, so for example, you could use it to change the tone of a sad song to a happy one, or kind of vice versa. It is good to know, however, that the project is still under development, but it has the potential to create new and innovative ways to experiment with music. Okay, so we'll be looking at some creative ideas for how Google Tone Transfer could be used. Okay, so for example, you could use it to create personalized soundtracks for different activities or modes. All right. Say, for example, you could create a soundtrack for working out or studying or relaxing. Yeah, you could do all of this, right? So, and you could also use it to create new genres of music. Example would be like using it to combine the tone of a classical song or music with the rhythm of a pop song to create a new genre, right? And then another example would be, you could use it to create music for people with disabilities, and that, by that you could transfer the tone of a song to a different instrument that is easier to play for someone with limited mobility. All right. Okay, so the product is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we experience music in general. All right, so let's take a look at how we can use this. So, for example, the easiest way to to test this out is just go to Google search, like and type in maybe tone transfer. Okay, so you type in tone transfer. So just type into Google, go into Google search and type in tone transfer magenta, and here is this first one. We click on it and allow it to load. Okay, now that it has loaded, let's try to play around. So as you can see right here, use the tone transfer in real time. Try the plugin. It has a plugin here. If you want, you can try that out. Okay, that opens in the new window, but let's close this. So you have this input here. Okay, and then you have a cappella singing, you have birds chirping, you have kinetic singing, you have cello performing, you have pots and pans clanging, you have synthesizers riffing, and you can add your own right here. So let's see. So once you click here, you see that this transform shows here, where you can say, as you can see, it's on none. Okay, so you see, you can just pause it right here, and Yeah, it has, and you can move this forward. You can see that. That is for a cappella singing. Mind you, when you click any of these inputs here, you see this transform comes up here, appears here. And right here, you see it's on none. You can change it to flute, saxophone, trumpet, and violin. And so let's try to do that. And play. Okay, so let's try trumpet. Oh wow! So okay, so let's see what the violin sounds like. Let's go back to the beginning. Okay, so that is it. So let's check the bird chirping. Okay, so let's change that to saxophone and go back to the beginning. Okay, well, isn't that fantastic? I mean, Google has, some people might argue that they fade at, you know, with they fade with they fade to make a statement with Google Bard, but I mean this is a game changer for the entertainment industry and let's say the music industry. Okay, so let's see, let's try to add our own and see what we get. Okay, let's say you click add there. And then you see it's checking device compatibility here. Okay, it has checked and it says audio longer than 15 seconds will be trimmed. Okay, so any audio that is longer than 15 seconds will be trimmed. So here you have your recording will be transformed in your browser and no personally identifiable information is collected or stored. Now you have some tips here. You can read these tips. And then you have record and upload. You can upload a file. Just click there and you can upload a file. But let's do something like this. Let's try recording. Okay, so So I'm not a musician, but I'm going to try to sing one of my favorite songs um, by Coldplay, and it's titled "Fix You." So let's get started. I'll just click this record here, and here it's asking you uh, to give permission for your microphone to be accessed. So I'm going to say let's do this. Okay, cancel, start again, cancel. Okay, let's start. When you try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired. So let's play. So let's apply this. Let's transform. Click on transform there. And you can see right here is transforming. Okay, it's transforming into this recording into flute, saxophone, trumpet, and violin. And then right here you see it's processing your recording. Once it's done, that which is the first step. Once it's done doing that, it's going to update the transformations, and then the transformation is completed. Okay, so now you can see the progress right there, real time. Okay, I mean, like I said, this is a game changer for creating music. And of course, even though it's still under the experimental stage, it's what I make it. I mean, I heard some artists from Nigeria has used this to produce a song that is trending already. So yeah. So now it is updating the transformation. Okay, so it's done. So you see here, you can hear your recordings. Let me turn this on. When you feel so tired, when you try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired. So let's check the flute. Oh, okay. So let's check the saxophone. So I did this on. All right. So I did this on purpose to show you that where there is space, okay, where there is no sound coming in, or there's no much frequency coming in, you see that you see what it does there. It just kind of sounds somehow. Right? So frequency is missing right here. So let's check the trumpet. All right, so violin. So mind you, you can download your tone, right? Just by clicking there, you can download your recording, the flute version, the saxophone version, the trumpet version, and the violin version. Then you can like this on the on Facebook or Twitter. Let's see. Let's maybe we should do another recording. I'm going to delete this, and I'll say let's do a reading. Okay, maybe a poem. Let's read a poem and see how it's transformed. It's going to transform that. Google, oh so wise, you answer all my questions, big and small, from the mod council. Google, oh so wise, you answer all my questions, big and small, from the mundane to the bizarre. You are always there to give it all. So let's play and see. Google, oh so wise, you answer all my questions, big and small, from the mundane to the bizarre. You are always there to give it all. Google. So let's transform this. I mean, whatever you want, you can use this tool to do, and it's so powerful. so interesting and so sweet to use, and so easy. By the way, easy. It is easy. I mean, even a child can be taught to use this tool like within 5 minutes or even less. So yeah. Okay, now that it has finished transforming, let's see what it has got us. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to the beginning. We'll start, of course, with the flute. And then the saxophone. Okay, and right here you see this icon. Click there, and you can see you can set. You adjust. This is the adjustment. You can adjust the mix. You can adjust the octave and the loudness. And to do that, it's still loading. To do, okay, it's still loading. Allow it to load, and once that is done, we while this is loading, let's see the plugin. You see, we have the plugin here. You can download. Okay, we'll come back to this though. Okay, so but for me, I'm going to leave it the way it is. I don't want, but of course, you have these options here to to work with the mix, the octave, and the loudness. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and just cancel right there. Okay, so of course, like I said, we can download our tone, our recording here, and let's. So now this This is an Indian person singing. So let's change this to like a flute. Indian people are very good with the flute. Let's see. And let's go back and play. Okay, I'm gonna try to sing in my language and see. Let's see.
Google.
Okay, so.
Oh, so wise. You answer all my questions, big and small, from the mundane to the bizarre. You are always there to give it all. Google. Oh, so wise. You answer all my questions, big and small, from the mundane to the bizarre. You are always there to give it all.
And then because it has transformed already, we can change it to flute. You can hear the wave at the background. So let's do something like this. Let's do something like this. Let's do another recording. Let's delete this. I'm going to make a sound. I'm going to record a sound, okay? Ooh. So let's play. So let's transform this. Okay, so it has transformed. Let's check the flute. Okay, so what I discover is where there's no much frequency coming in, I mean, it it starts to like go um I mean lose what was it called? I'm not a music person, but it start to lose strength, I should call it. So let's try the saxophone. So you see, right here, I was like, I was losing. Like I couldn't sing out loud from here down here. So you can see that it has actually lost the frequency there. So let's see. Let's go back. Okay. Let's see this. All right. So guys, I mean, this is fun to play with. Okay. So if you are a producer, a musician, I mean, these days people make music, all you know, people don't need producers that much, and you write in your room with your laptop or your phone, you can create music, right? Just like, using this. So let's check what the synthesizer has for us here. I'm gonna say. Let's see what the synthesizers have for us here. Okay, so yeah, that's a synthesizer, and you can just try it out for yourself. I'm here just to assist you, to introduce you to this tool if you don't know how to use it, or maybe you don't know it exists. I'm here to do that. Finally, let's go to the plugin in magenta dot at tensorflow.org, and you have slash DDSP-VST. So you can have this VST. You can, if you're using Mac, you can download it for Mac, and you can download it for Windows if you're using Windows. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download it for Windows. And once that is done, I'm just going to install it and use it with my. So you see here where you can use it. Let's play this and see how we can use that with yes. Now, one thing I discovered also is that you have to have a consistent internet connection, okay? If not, you're going to have it lag. Okay. So just go through it and make good use of it. So this VST, you can use it in your DAW, like or any music production software, and it's going to function just fine. I mean, just like on the web here. Okay, so guys, yeah, so that is how I mean, that is it from the Google Tone Transfer Magenta, and of course that's finished downloading here. So this is it. So you just install this in your VST, just drop these files in your VST folder, and you're done. Okay, so that is it from the Google Tone Transfer Magenta, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button, and of course keep the conversation going and spread the word. This product is new. It's still, like I said, it's still under experimental stage, and of course they are going to improve on it, add more transformers and other musical instruments, and of course I believe I trust Google. I trust them on what they can do. Okay, bye guys, see you next time. Bye. Remember, don't forget to subscribe. Okay.